Hello, baby girl. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I love your outfit. Is that from Grandma Suey? Okay, folks, this is a little obnoxious from me, but well worth it from what we get out of it. Ready? Blah! Oh no, you got the hiccups just like your brother? Gosh almighty. Blah! Are you choking on your hiccups? Huh? Here. Ready? Ready? Oh man. Now you got those stinky hiccups. It was cuter when she didn't get the hiccups because then she'd really laugh. Oh, you poor thing. You're still just as cute as you can be. Say, Happy St. Patrick's Day! Oh, okay, let's get rid of those hiccups.